Welcome to Hitcoin Daily, the channel which brings you every day the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Today we are talking about a pre-sale token, a very hot, a very fresh token right now on Hitcoin Daily, PolarBear X DeFi Robotics. So what is that? The ultimate all-in-one AI-driven robot trading and platform for global investors, integrated blockchain based on DeFi. Sorry guys, I have the website right now here on the PDF data, but you can go on PolarBear100x.co, PolarBear100x.co, and you can look by yourself their website. I just make it here on PDF because it's more easy for my slowly computer. And I want to show you something. Here we have the pre-sale. The pre-sale ends in 72 days. And please don't miss it out on PolarBear100x.co to get pre-sale tokens, because you will have a massive profits just about this pre-sale. And what exactly is PolarBear? It is an AI trading platform, a robotic trading platform. You can copy, trade, and make money without trading by yourself, right? The ultimate all-in-one AI-driven robot trading and platform for global investors, integrated blockchain based on DeFi. PolarBear X DeFi Robotics is algorithmic trading and quantitative trading ecosystem in stock, mutual funds, FX futures, and cryptocurrency market based on artificial intelligence. With AutoCopyX technology, the ecosystem can be scaled up to hedge fund robotics and DeFi ROBOBank based on blockchain technology, including staking, farming, lending. This ecosystem will interoperate to maximize returns while minimizing risks for investors. And this is what we want. AlgoQuant Lab is a research and development in 100% fully automated robot trading by using AI technology in CME COMEX future products under SEC Thailand with MTS Gold under PolarBear 100X. And they got already rewards for this. They are on Singapore Slingshot 2021. They are under the top 1,000 startups on Slingshot 2021 in Singapore. So, and they got already other rewards. You can see these awards for their good work, because behind this here is a real team, guys. I want to show you this here. This behind this project is a real team. It is not a meme token or something they want to promise. It is a real team. And here you have the best features: ultra fast and secure smart contract is used for fund management protocol from crypto exchange connected to financial markets, stock, FX, and futures, and for sure cryptocurrency. Highly scalable AutoCopy technology on cloud is used for copy trading by global investors from FX bridging futures and used for scale up to hedge fund robotics, stock, FX futures, and crypto robot. Reliable and low cost. In-house R&D autopilot using ALML, which dynamically adapt the market, get redisrupted fee without staking, get profit sharing and dividends by staking. You can read the white paper. This is the click on it. We will look also on that. And here we have the token sale, guys. We have here started the token sale 5 days ago, and you have right now the opportunity with 30% in bonus to claim some tokens. For that, you have to go on their waiting list, apply the tokens. And you can do that if you click on their website, sign up and join our pre-sale list. You have to fill out the form and then you get an email to buy the tokens. And one token costs $3. So you can put some money inside, but don't forget, don't throw all your money inside. Every project, there's a risk behind it. Don't forget that. But this seems to be something real, because not everyone have the time for trading, and why not using copy trading in the cryptocurrency market, right? And here we have the white paper, PolarBear 100X white paper. Disclaimer. Let's see what we have. Some interesting pages here, very much details, so you can read this by yourself. But here there are many countries already scale up, and they will be soon listed also on an DEX, on an exchange, decentralized exchange. And here you can see some details how it exactly works. And here very interesting, compared to others, what they can do better, PolarBear compared to Gunbot, FreeCommons, CryptoHopper and Napbot. So they want to make everything possible for people which are in the crypto scene. Some more details you have here, and for sure the team is also showing up. Not on the white paper, but on their website. You have to go on PolarBear 100X on their website, and then you can see their team. There are real faces behind this project. And for more, just go on PolarBear 100X. I will show you right now their dashboard for copy trading, right? Here's robolink.me. Robolink.me is their dashboard for copy trading. So you have here, guys, social and artificial intelligence robotic trading, which, for example, here we have an account balance from $115,000 and this guy make an average monthly return from 5.6%, and some guys make a lot of more. I also saw someone with over 100%, over 300%, and you can just step into it and look it by yourself on robolink.me. So guys, let me know what you think about this project. Let me know what you think about PolarBear 100X or PolarBear X, and write down into the comments what you think about this project. Maybe leave me a like for that video, and for sure subscribe to see more of this kind of videos every day, the newest and hottest tokens on the blockchain. Until next video, I wish you the very best profits and see you later, alligator. Bye.